All right, guys, check this out. Oh yeah, combination between kit car and production car. Oh yeah, this is what I just rode upon. Whew, nice. And we get to hear a start as well. I said, and we get to hear a start. That is nice, man. Owner says about 450 horsepower, about almost 500 foot-pounds of torque, and a 1,700 pound body. Yeah, that's real light and fast. That is nice. It's like a kit car. It's a kit car slash production car. You have a name?
It's a Stalker.
A Stalker. Yes. Ooh. That is nice. I stalked the Stalker in the DMV parking lot. You hear it. Nice. You don't see one of these on the street every day. Oh, nice and smooth. Nice.